up, Baryta. It's 12 p.m. Eat something. Wake up, wake up.
Okay, mom, just 5 minutes more.
Your saliva run out of your mouth and your buccal cavity smell foul. Go brush your teeth now.
No, my tooth is aching and it is worse when thinking about it and disappear when the mind is diverted. After eating, teeth feels too weak to chew anymore.
Okay, get up and drink something.
Okay, I'm coming.
Drink this glass of water. What happened to you? Are you okay? Baryta, what happened?
I have tonsillitis due to cold drinks, cold air, or suppression of foot sweat. My throat is sore to touch, tonsils enlarge, and prone to separate, especially on right side. Along with tonsillitis, palate and uvula are also swollen. I have aggravation on swelling, solids, and when thinking about my troubles, sensation of plug in throat and tonsillitis leading to quinsy.
Oh, let's eat something. You must be hungry. Let's eat some pasta.
No. I am unable to swallow anything except liquids, as in bacteria and silesia.
Okay, but eat something, at least a little bit.
Okay, I try. Mom, the pasta was yummy, but I feel little bit discomfort in my stomach.
Oh, what happened now?
I am suffering from sour eructation a few hours after dinner, nausea, palpitation, and anxiety in the mornings, pressing in the stomach after eating, sensation of soreness in the stomach, relieved by eructations.
I know, since childhood, you are mentally deficient, physically weak, and short. You are having short stature, swollen abdomen, puffy face, enlarged gland, thick lips, and idiotic appearance. You also have melancholic temperament. You are chilly patient, and you have psora is in the background. And you also have tubercular and sclerotic dystasis.
I have aversion to strangers and society, everyone teasing me and saying I am foolish with loss of memory or deficient intelligence. I forgot in the middle of my speech. I does not want to look up or to be looked at. I fear that my own business will collapse. Fear about my futures, about my domestic affairs, etc. I constantly change my mind, become serious at laughable matters and laugh on serious matter like anacardium and platina. Suddenly become angry but soon feel sorry for it like mesarium. What should I do, mama?
Don't worry, you will be fine soon. Now go and play with your friends. And yes, don't throw stones on strangers or on friends.
No, I don't want to play. I want to sit in my house.
Okay, as you wish, but you are aggravated when sitting after menses, when thinking about ailment, lying on painful side, and washing affected parts.
I know. I feel better in walking open air.
So go and play with your friends, you feel better.
Okay, going.
Baryta is going for a walk, but where are you going? I will give you some extra points about Baryta. You know, Baryta is also suited in old men with enlarged prostate and indurated testes. Baryta is also suited in baldness in young people, in which scalp is very sensitive to touch. It also antidote by antimonium tart, belladonna, camphor, mercurius, and complementary to conium and myrrh. And you know that Baryta Carb is proved by honeyman, and its common name is barium carbonate. Now, you can also go for a walk. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe